How's it going, everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to tighten the fork on your Bandit. Sometimes this can get loose in shipping if it's getting banged around a lot, or just from normal wear and tear. It's a really easy thing to do. There's just a couple screws to loosen, and then we're going to re-tighten, and that should bring everything into alignment. Here's a close-up of what it would look like if it was loose. You can see this point right here. Watch it. As I hold the front brake and rock the bike back and forth, this will move. Right? So that is very clearly loose. I'm going to start by loosening up the stem. So there is a screw on either side. I'll use my Allen, loosen those guys up. Then I'm going to go around the entire top of the crown here and loosen up all these clamping screws. And there's a third one right here. Okay, so now that we've loosened everything up, I'm going to start by tightening up the top cap. Every once in a while, grab the front brake, rock the bike back and forth, and check to see if it's still loose. If it's still loose, that means you need to keep on tightening up that top cap. Be careful as you do this because you don't want to put too much tension on it or else it could strip it out. Everything seems good now. I can go around and tighten up the crown and then the stem. All right, everyone, I hope that helped. Leave some comments down below. If you have any more questions, you can email us at info@sparkcycleworks.com.